Okay, the first thing that's going to happen is we get a call for heat, and that is right down there with the gas valve, or the thermostat wires, I mean. So we get a call for heat with the thermostat wires. The second thing that's going to happen is that inducer draft assembly is going to start running, and if that is good, it pulls a suction onto this pressure switch. That pressure switch closes, and that closes. Then it tells the board we're good. It's going to run for a little bit longer, like a 15-20 second purge. Then the globe bar is going to start coming on, which is right up in there. And that's going to stay on for a little bit, and then the next thing that's going to happen is the gas valve is going to open. Gas valve opens, flame shoots across, if you can see it up in there. And then we have the flame sensor, which is that wire right there. That is going to sense the flame is going onto the flame sensor, and that's going to send a signal back down to the board to tell the board that we do have flame, keep sending gas. And then after X amount of seconds, the blower is going to kick on. The board has settings on it to delay the blower coming on heat. So that's pretty much it as far as the order of operations for a gas or propane 90+ furnace.